Here I have the Glowforge Pro laser cutting machine. And right here, I have hundreds of orders of Christmas personalized Christmas tree ornaments from a fundraiser that I'm holding at a school. Okay, let's get right into it. So all of these hundreds and hundreds of orders from customers, well, students, parents, because we're doing a fundraiser. Well, we did fundraisers. We've done multiple fundraisers now with schools. So we're doing with daycares, preschools, elementary schools, whatever it is. And this is the way, like, this is the cream of the crop. This is the golden nugget. And this is what I want to share with you. So if you have a craft business and you make, like we have the Glowforge here, if you do Christmas tree ornaments or baby name signs or just like home decor, whatever, this is the nugget. This is what you want to do. So we also have a group, a Facebook group with thousands of members, okay? So we can post something and then we can sell things to them, but like after they've bought so much, you know, it's like, what else are they going to buy? So I'm not saying that's the end of it, but after they buy something, it's kind of like, well, you have to keep coming up with something new, a new value proposition, a new item. You have to always be coming up with more and more. Now think of this, hear me out on this. A school, and let's say a daycare, or let's say a preschool in particular, preschools, you know, like that's the parents' first kid going to preschool, or, you know, just the kid's first time in school in general. And it's like, it's a memorable moment, and parents love that, and they want to buy all the stuff and they want to do all the special things. And then, you know, like for me, I just love making something that's memorable for them. So I create a ornament, and it has the kid's name on it, and and we sell these things. And parents love it, the students love it, and they get to hang their ornament up on their tree, and they get to show their grandparents, and you know, the kids get to, you know, when you bring the bag of things, so then they can take it home and give it to their aunts and their uncles and their grandparents and their grandmas and stuff like that. You know, they show all their classmates, oh, look at mine, and it has their name on it. And anyway, it's just cool. And then, you know, like I said before, we made $5,000 in 2 weeks. Now, of course, yeah, there's cost. We probably paid $500, you know, $500 in wood, prints, labor. You know, there's no marketing because we were just being resourceful. We had a relationship that we started with the school. We got to know each other. Say, hey, I got a good idea. You could benefit from this. We can benefit from this. Would you like to try this? And honestly, it's a fundraiser. We don't have to do any of the, well, we do have to do the upfront work, but you give it to the kid. And let me show you one. I got this right here. Take a look at this. These are the 3 prizes that we gave. Scene 75, Regal Cinema's ticket, and Hero Day. There's a first place, second place, and third place. And these are pretty good prizes. You know, you want to make sure the prizes are good for the kids. You want to make sure that the prizes are cool, makes them want to go and sell some stuff. And then let me give you some examples here. So here we got these ornaments here. These are personalized. These have a single name. This has a last name, still single name, but last name here, and then it has first names up here. This one was one of our best sellers, the Perfect Batch, Granny's Perfect Batch. And then this is the ornament here. Look, these are, this idea, man, I don't want you to pass this up. It's a fundraiser. You don't have to have a laser machine to do this. You can have a Cricut, a laser machine. It doesn't have to be a Glowforge. You can have any type of laser machine. You could knit hats, knit sweaters. You could do anything. And then you just call a school, or just like get your way in there somehow. You can call a school, you can call workplaces, like just businesses, local businesses, and you can do this. You can do this. I'm saying $5,000 in 2 weeks, and then minus 500 for cost. It's $4,500 in 2 weeks. So if you have any questions, if you want to learn more about this stuff, just leave a comment below, like and subscribe. Let me know.